Alright everybody, in this edition of Turbo Toad TV, we're going to be working with the 1965 Plymouth Fury. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working with a rust reformer. Claims to instantly convert rust to a protected paintable surface. I've used this stuff before on all kinds of anything I pretty much get to bare metal. I'll use this stuff. Works out pretty good. I already cleaned this floor up in this back wheel well area. All I did was just scrape it. Didn't hit it with a wire brush, didn't hit it with any kind of abrasive wheel or anything like that. We're just gonna lay some paint down in here and let you guys see how this stuff works. Like I said, I love this stuff. But alright, we're going to show you what we got. It's probably been about an hour, and as you can see, all that's already started to activate and seal in. Stuff does a freaking phenomenal job. I don't like to get too aggressive with chipping the rust out. Like, I like to try to, some of that's gonna convert, so you don't want to take too much, be too aggressive with it. So I just like get the paint off. I like to try to leave some of that. I'll try to scrape it out, but I'm gonna leave that metal because that should convert. That'll slowly convert all night. This car is going to be black anyways, so I'm not painting it. I'm just sealing everything up as best I can. I don't know when I'm going to have a chance to get to finish it. It needs a bunch of metal work. I'm not going to bore you guys with the whole paint process on this floor, but we'll show you before and after. This is what I got it down to, just scraping it. Like I said, I like to leave some of that material in there, unless it's a rust hole or a bubble or anything like that. I'll break that, but I like to leave a little bit in there. But yeah, let me get to painting this, and I'll show you guys what I come up with. This is the next day. You guys remember what this side looked like? There's some pitting, but like I said, all that was already there. I didn't want to get in there and mess that up too bad. $14, 2 cans. Did this whole back part. I didn't touch this shit. That's all just rotted, but I'm gonna pull these seats and get all these doors. But yeah, you guys can see that stuff works pretty good. $7 a can at Menards. Yeah, once again, this is what I get. It's Rust-Oleum, Rust Reform. $6.99 a can at Menards. That's that come out real nice. Yeah, we're just trying to seal this thing up. We don't know when we're going to get back to it. But I wanted to get you guys a video. It's been a minute. We're getting back on track. We love you guys. Thanks for all the support.